How to add an admin fingerprint. To add an admin fingerprint, start by pressing the Set button at the bottom of the interior housing using a small pointed object, listening for a single beep and watching for the pin pad to illuminate. Then enter your admin code followed by the check mark. Next, enter 2 plus the check mark. Place your desired finger over the sensor for 3 to 5 seconds. The sensor will light for 3 to 5 seconds. Listen for a long beep to confirm. You have now created an admin fingerprint. Multiple admin fingerprints from both hands are suggested. To add the next fingerprint, press the check mark and repeat the steps. Once you're finished, press the back arrow to exit the menu.